Today we're just going to start with the easy repair, which is just replacing the rear bump stops. We've ordered 2 rear bump stops. I believe they sell these individually, which comes with the new bushing, and it is attached to this metal piece. Now it does not come with any screws, so we'll have to reuse the 2 fasteners that are currently on the truck. So let's get started. These are the old bump stops on the rear of the vehicle. You can see they're starting to deteriorate and cracks are starting to form. This should be a fairly easy repair. You don't need to lift anything, and you can just crawl right under your vehicle. All right, so I've got my ratchet with a 13mm. Looks like those prongs are now out of the frame. So this is the old bump stop. You can see it's cracked. And this is the old fastener, so I'm going to be reusing that. So yeah, let's use the fastener and put the new one in. So this is what the frame looks like without the bump stop. And there's 2 little holes that you need to feed the prongs into, and the big holes for the screw. All right, I'm gonna get this screw started first. Maybe I can get this started with my fingers. Yeah, I think that's in, and then I'll kind of push this middle piece up to engage those 2 little prongs. And I want to make sure that I've got that pushed up when I'm tightening it. So now I'm going to grab my ratchet and put that on. Okay. All right, seems loose. Such a couple of threads left. Still would work, but you know, it's an easy repair, so we're just gonna replace them. Let me grab the bolt, and I'll start this by hand. Let's see, get my prongs on the right side. There we go, and then get the screw started by hand. All right, so the screw's started. Now let me get those prongs aligned. That should be good. Let me get the ratchet. Okay, so that's it for this very short video. Please like and comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for future postings.